Hi everyone, Mario here. My SurrealSkin Awakening Concealer is super versatile and can be used anywhere you want to conceal, lift, brighten, or blur. I'm going to use the applicator and apply directly to underneath her eyes in the shade 160. We added caffeine into this formula to help depuff and reduce the look of dark circles. Taking my F5 brush now, and I'm blending the concealer until it's seamless. For extra lift, you want to blend the concealer up and out past the outer corner of the eye. To cover spots and blemishes, choose a shade that matches your complexion and dab a small amount of concealer directly onto the spot. I personally let the concealer dry down for a few seconds before blending. Use the F5 brush or your finger to blend and blur it out. This formula is very buildable, so add more as needed. To highlight your complexion with the concealer, you want to use one shade lighter or the same shade that you use under your eyes and apply it to the center of the forehead, bridge of the nose, and center of the chin. Blend it out using the F5 brush. And you can see here how seamless and beautiful this is. To minimize the appearance of shadows caused by deep creases and laugh lines, you want to choose a shade that matches your skin tone and apply it to those areas. Blend it all out using the F5 brush. And that's it, 4 super easy ways to use my SurrealSkin Awakening Concealer. I cannot wait for y'all to try it.